Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, about our Christmas decoration ideas. So let's start with your bottle lights magic. Turn a simple bottle into a glowing Christmas moment. Just add fairy lights, little green, and watch how beautiful it's light up your holiday table. Snow bottle Christmas look. A forest bottle, a candles, and a soft winter touch. This new Christmas centerpiece from the claim medical winter field 20 space bottle with mini ornaments. Decorate a plain bottle with tiny ornaments and a Christmas colors. Such as small ideas, but it suggest a holiday centerpiece, 3 bottles, table arrangement, and weavers. Three bottles, 3 candles, and a Christmas green one. Between them, a beautiful balanced Christmas that fill your table with warm pink bottle Christmas charm. And we will pink bottle in glass with Christmas stones, red, green, and golden, elegant, handmade, and perfect for holiday dinners. The bottle was a centerpiece decoration ideas. And weavers. The bottle as mini was, adding fresh beans, red berries to bring nature. Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas and prints. Bottle and wood slice. A bottle placed on a wooden slice warped with grains and lights. A cozy Christmas centerpiece that feel like home. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and thanks for watching my video.